what we're going to do today is an amazing event. It's very important for us kasi kailangan ang country head ng Google Philippines. I'm sure that as you look around the venue today, you're also equally excited as you are about the announcement that we're about to make. And the reason why we're excited about that is this is a major launch. It's a big opportunity for us to really move the needle into some digital landscape. But before we go to the final launch, I would like to take this opportunity to share with you a vision that Google has for the Philippines. 5 years from now, what we're going to see is a major change in the digital landscape here in the Philippines, where we will see every single Filipino introduced to the power of the internet. Today, we already have 44 million Filipinos online. And this year alone, we're going to see 10 million Filipinos coming to the internet for the first time. 10 million Filipinos. That is 2 times the size of the population of Singapore. And if you really think about it, that's almost 1 million Filipinos going online every single month. That is massive. And in the next 2 years, what we're going to see is we are about to overtake South Korea, which currently has a 45 million internet penetration, or 45 million people in their internet. By 2016, and 2016, we are foreseeing the Philippines will reach 66% penetration. So we're going to beat them by a wide margin. We're talking about 66 million Filipinos. And as the population, the Philippines, becomes more advanced and more digitized, I think what we're going to see is we're going to achieve a country which will be able to achieve a lot of things because of the access that we have today. So currently, the Philippines is already the 2nd largest internet market in Southeast Asia. In fact, we are already the 6th largest in Asia. And a lot of the aspects of the web in the Philippines are growing at a tremendous pace. Be it search, mobile, or video, the numbers are growing. And we see this because of the device we have, the mobile phones. There's a massive potential that we see for e-commerce, for growing content online. Because as we see more Filipinos going to the internet, primarily to their mobile device. The growing internet base has just started a lot of interest in tech development. In fact, here in Southeast Asia, we have one of the largest communities of developers here in the country. Indeed, the Philippines is on the road to digitalization. Our efforts to digitize the Philippines is not just limited to everyday consumers, businesses, or doing local content. It goes beyond that. Our pillars of digitizing the country are really founded on things which really matter to Filipinos. What are those? It's about family. It's about education. It's about economy. You know, according to the NSO, there are about 22 million families in the Philippines. And there are 12 million OFWs, which are part of those families. Imagine the connection that we'll be able to strengthen between a child and a parent, a husband and a wife, from Ilocos to Italy, from Ormoc to Oman, even from Surigao to Saudi, just because of the internet. And the connection across seas is easily achieved if one will hold a device that will bridge the gaps through storytelling or video calls, or perhaps by taking photos and sharing it in photo sharing platforms. Think about how many selfies, how many movies or BVs that we can all post because of the mobile. And this is why we call the Philippines the selfie capital of the world. On education, we have 25 million students right now. 25 million impressionable minds that have the ability to really access the world's wealth of information through the web. You should also imagine the power of building dreams and fulfilling it. If these students will be able to connect to the cloud, share their research to other professors and perhaps students in other countries, it would be amazing. Our youth can be an inspiration to the world. Now, we talk about the Philippines economy. A lot of has been said about it. It's one of the fastest growing in Southeast Asia. It's growing by around 6 to 7%. Imagine that. But we all admit that this growth must not be inclusive. If you look at the agricultural sector, which employs 30% of the country's population, only 11% of the GDP comes from agriculture. So think about the possibility if our farmers in North Luzon would be able to easily access the web and use tools to find out where they could sell their produce, find the best prices, get real-time information on where they could sell those prices, and empower them on where they could sell their produce. There's immense growth potential for the agricultural sector to be digitized. And imagine this happening in every sector in our country. Be it small-scale farmers, micro-entrepreneurs, big businesses. You know, the internet levels the playing field. And in this age, size doesn't matter. We are already in a rapidly growing internet market. And with today's announcement, Google hopes to contribute to the even increasing number of Filipinos who will discover and experience the power of the internet through their fingertips. Imagine what one can do. In fact, imagine what 100 million Filipinos online can do to make this nation even bigger. In the days to come, we hope that we can share with you stories that will show inspiration of how people have really adapted digital and take off the greater heights, where one will aspire, will achieve, and affect many more lives in the future. Maraming salamat at buhay kayo.